Genre, fantasy. Essential question. How do people help out in the community? Thump Thump helps out. Thump Thump liked to thump. He thumped a lot as he sang. He thumped a lot just for fun. Hush, stop that, Thump Thump, yelled all the little rabbits. We do not like it one bit. But Thump Thump did not stop. One day there was a problem. Thump Thump's bus hit a rock. Bang, crash, clunk. His bus got stuck in the mud. The little rabbits could not fix it. We wish big rabbits could get us home, sniffed the little rabbits. Help us, yelled Miss Sheldon. But not one big rabbit heard her call. Thump Thump had a plan. I think I can help, he sang. He thumped and thumped and thumped. Big rabbits all over heard Thump Thump thump. They rushed to help fix the bus. The kids got home fast. Thump Thump, can you help us? Asked the big rabbits. We want you to thump loud and long if a rabbit needs help. Thump, thump, went Thump Thump with a song, and Thump Thump thumps and brings help to this day.
All right, guys. Remember, a character is a person or an animal in the story. So I want you to think about who the characters were in this story. You should pause the video and talk about that. If you said Thump Thump, you're right. It was Thump Thump, and Thump Thump was a rabbit. He's a rabbit. So there were also rabbits in the story. All right. I want to know the setting. The setting is where the story takes place. So where are they? Where is Thump Thump and all those rabbits? I want you to pause the video and talk about it. If you said forest, you're correct. All right, the events are what happens in a story. So what happens at the beginning, the middle, and end? I want you to pause the video and talk about that. All right, if you said at the beginning, he thumped his feet a lot, you're correct, he did. In the middle, the bus hit a rock and got stuck in the mud. What happened at the end? What did Thump Thump do? If you said he used his feet to help him, you're right. Remember, if you don't know, good readers go back and use the words and the pictures to find out what happens in the story. So it's called rereading. Sometimes even Miss Mason forgets, and so she has to go reread the story. It's good to read it more than once.